Ever feel like there just aren't enough hours in the day? Textbooks piled high, classes overflowing with information, and the ever-present need for cash? Being a student can be tough, but what if you could turn that struggle into an opportunity? Today, we're cracking the code on the ultimate student survival guide. We're unveiling the top 7 side hustles that will have you crushing your classes and stacking cash in 2024. From flexing your brain power to unleashing your creative side, there's a perfect hustle out there for everyone. So grab a pen, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to transform your student life. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of side hustles, specifically designed for our amazing student viewers. Let's face it, textbooks aren't cheap. That on-campus ramen can get old fast, and who wouldn't love a little extra spending money? But the question is, how do you find a side hustle that fits your busy schedule and actually makes you money? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Over the next 30 minutes, we'll be exploring the 7 best side hustles for students in 2024. We'll break down each hustle, answering all your burning questions like, what skills do I need? How much time does it take? Is there any investment involved? How much money can I realistically make? But before we jump in, let's address the elephant in the room. Are side hustles even worth it? Absolutely. Not only can they put extra cash in your pocket, but they can also help you develop valuable skills, build your resume, and even become your future career path. So buckle up, students, because it's time to become the ultimate side hustle masters. Get ready to explore the top 7 side hustles for students, each packed with valuable tips and insights. 1. Become a brainiac tutor. Feeling like a master of a particular subject? Why not share your knowledge and become a tutor? This side hustle allows you to flex your academic muscles while helping others conquer those same subjects. Skill set. Spotlight. Strong understanding of the subject, excellent communication skills, and a patient personality are key. Time commitment crunch. Time commitment is flexible. You can tutor online or in person, depending on your preference and student needs. Schedule sessions around your class schedule and dedicate a few hours per week to each student. Investment lowdown. No major investment needed. Utilize online resources and free tutoring platforms like whiz or Chegg Tutors to get started. Earning potential. Earnings can vary depending on experience and subject matter. However, you can expect to make $15–30 per hour. You can set your own rates and potentially earn more as you gain experience and positive reviews. How do I find students to tutor? Free tutoring platforms connect you with students seeking help. You can also advertise your tutoring services online or on campus bulletin boards. 2. Content creation. Extraordinaire. Unleash your inner YouTuber, a blogger. Feeling creative and have a knack for storytelling? Content creation might be your perfect side hustle. This could involve starting a YouTube channel, creating a blog, or even venturing into the world of podcasts. Tailor your content to your passions, gaming, fashion, or even in-depth academic breakdowns. Skill set spotlight. Creativity, storytelling skills, and video editing knowledge for YouTube are valuable assets. Don't worry if you're new. Free online resources and tutorials can help you get started. Time commitment. Crunch. Time commitment can vary depending on the platform you choose. Building a following takes time and consistency. Dedicate a few hours per week to create content, engage with your audience, and learn from analytics. Investment lowdown. No major investment needed. As your channel grows, you can consider investing in better equipment like a camera or microphone. Earning potential. Earning potential varies depending on your audience size and engagement. Revenue can come from advertising, affiliate marketing, or even selling your own merchandise. What platform should I choose for content creation? The best platform depends on your content and target audience. Consider your strengths. Are you a natural speaker for podcasts or a visual storyteller for YouTube? Research popular channels in your niche to see where they thrive. 3. Social media management. Maverick. Help businesses level up their online game. Do you spend hours scrolling through social media, effortlessly navigating the latest trends? Businesses recognize the power of social media marketing. You can help them create engaging content, manage their online presence, and interact with customers. Skill set spotlight. Strong communication and organizational skills are key. Learn basic social media analytics through free online resources from platforms like Facebook Blueprint or Hootsuite Academy. Familiarity with different social media platforms and content creation is a plus. Time commitment crunch. Time commitment is flexible. Offer packages with a set number of hours per week or project-based pricing. Manage your workload based on the number of clients you take on. You can schedule your work around your classes to ensure a healthy balance. Investment lowdown. No major investment needed. Utilize free social media scheduling tools like Buffer or Hootsuite and online analytics resources to track your progress. Earning potential. Expect to earn $15–25 per hour. As you gain experience and manage more clients, your rates can increase. How can I find clients for social media management? Freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr offer a great way to connect with businesses seeking social media assistance. You can also network with local businesses in your area and showcase your skills. 4. Online language. Tutor. Share your gift with the world. Are you a fluent speaker in a second language? Share your gift with students worldwide through conversational language apps like HelloTalk, Tandem, or italki. These apps often connect you with learners worldwide, allowing you to experience different cultures and build meaningful connections. Finding your platform. Explore apps that specialize in language learning and conversation practice. Investment lowdown. No major investment needed. Just download the language learning app and create a profile highlighting your fluency and teaching style. Some platforms may require a basic certification, but these are often free or low cost. Earning potential. Earnings vary depending on the platform and your experience. Some apps pay per minute of conversation, while others offer a fixed rate per session. You can expect to earn anywhere from $10 to $20 per hour. How can I make my profile stand out on language learning apps? Highlight your experience with the language and your passion for teaching. Create a friendly and engaging profile that showcases your personality. Utilize positive testimonials from satisfied students to build trust with potential learners. 5. E-commerce personalization. Assistant. Craft a customer experience that converts. Do you have a keen eye for detail and enjoy organizing things? Help online stores personalize their customer experience. This side hustle involves tasks like creating targeted email campaigns based on customer purchase history and browsing behavior, curating product recommendations that entice customers to buy more, managing customer reviews and responding to inquiries in a professional and timely manner. Skill set spotlight. Strong communication and writing skills are key. Learn basic e-commerce principles through free online resources or courses offered by platforms like Shopify Academy. Familiarity with email marketing tools like MailChimp or Constant Contact is a plus. Time commitment crunch. Time commitment is flexible. Offer packages with a set number of hours per week or project-based pricing. Freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr offer a great way to connect with e-commerce businesses seeking assistance. Investment lowdown. No major investment needed. A computer with internet access is all you need to get started. Consider investing in online courses or certifications to enhance your skills and stand out to potential clients. Earning potential. Expect to earn $15 to $20 per hour. As you build your experience and portfolio, you can increase your rates and potentially land long-term contracts with e-commerce businesses. How can I find freelance work as an e-commerce personalization assistant? Freelancing platforms and online job boards are a great starting point. You can also reach out directly to e-commerce businesses in your area and showcase your skills and understanding of their target market. 6. Campus marketplace. Mastermind. Sell your crafts, clothes, or baked goods. Turn your passion into profit. Explore options like student-run markets or fairs organized by your university or college. Online marketplaces specific to your university, allowing students to buy and sell goods among themselves. Setting up a pop-up shop in a high-traffic area on campus, with permission from the appropriate authorities, of course. Skill set spotlight. Creativity and marketing skills are valuable assets. Research effective pricing strategies and presentation techniques to showcase your products and attract customers. Time commitment. Crunch. Time commitment will vary depending on how much you produce. However, a few hours per week can be enough to create new products, manage your online presence, if applicable, and participate in campus markets. Investment lowdown. Research local regulations and permits required for selling on campus. Consider investing in high-quality packaging and displays to make your products stand out. You can also explore cost-effective marketing strategies like social media promotion or flyers targeted towards your student audience. Earning potential. Earnings depend on your pricing and product demand. Analyze your production costs and set competitive prices that allow you to make a profit. How can I make my products stand out at campus markets? Presentation is key. Invest in eye-catching displays and high-quality packaging. Offer unique products or personalize your offerings to cater to the student market. Be friendly and approachable to engage with potential customers. So there you have it, the top 7 side hustles to supercharge your student life. Remember, the best side hustle is one that aligns with your skills and interests. Research each option further, experiment, and find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to combine different hustles to maximize your earning potential. Here are some additional tips. Time management is key. Build your brand. Whether you're a tutor, content creator, or online seller, focus on building your brand reputation. Deliver high-quality work, provide excellent customer service, and maintain consistent communication with your clients or audience. With dedication and a little bit of hustle, you can turn your student life into a financially empowered journey. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to subscribe for more student life hacks and leave a comment below with your favorite side hustle idea.